What? Tell the fish that. What are you saying? Nguso mo. Tapos, what else? What else, Gabby? Mamnyanya? Huh? Then? Then? What else? What else do you want to say, Gabby? Who's calling?
This is the Papa. When you hear the beep, you know what to do.
What else, Gabby? What else? You're looking at the fishes right there. Those are Gabby's and Kuya Kuku's fishes. Yay. There's our favorite tiger fish. Oh, he got scared. And there is there another colorful fishy. We have two sharks there. That's the other one. And them. And them. I wonder where the janitor fish is. He's supposed to be cleaning. And there's my little Gabby. Hey. Hey, doll. Gabby. What? What do you have to say? Huh? Gab. What? What can you say about the fishes? You're doing fish. What? What? It's kind of gloomy outside. Look. It's not bright. I think it's going. Oh, it's raining. So Gabby and I are staying home today. Say bye for the meantime. See you later. Tell the camera bye-bye. I'll see y'all later. Tell them bye. Yeah, you have to eat breakfast. Tell the camera bye-bye for now. 'Cause No. Tell them, Gabby, tell them goodbye. Oh well, what are you trying to say now? Huh? Gabby? What? Okay, say goodbye now. Camera! Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Bye, camera. Bye, everybody. I love you all.